If you need to recover your Lebanese Canadian Bank Switzerland account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Lebanese Canadian Bank Switzerland official website. Look for the login or account recovery section to find the options available for account recovery. Step 2. Select account recovery option. Click on the account recovery option. This may be labeled as forgot password or account access issues. Follow the prompts to begin the recovery process. Step 3. Provide required information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Use alternative recovery methods. Since you do not have access to your phone number, look for alternative recovery methods. This could involve receiving a verification link or code via email or answering security questions you set up previously. Step 5. Follow instructions and reset password. Once you receive the verification link or code, follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Create a new password that is secure and memorable, then log into your account. After completing these steps, you should have regained access to your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.